Demonstrating how to administer oral medications. The first thing I do is to verify the care provider's orders, which I have listed here on the screen in the electronic health record. Um, it says capsule, Prevacid 30 milligram capsule, Zolpidem and milligram tablet. Um, we're going to make sure that we check the label at least 3 times. So I checked the electronic health record. So I'm going to go ahead and then I would pull out the medication from the devices, like an oxydose or Pyxis, whatever. I have all of the same pills. Each of these pills are labeled. So I have a Keflexin 250 milligram. So that matches the order given. I have Prevacid 30 milligrams. It matches the order that's given in the EHR. I have Zolpidem, or Ambien 10 milligram tablet as listed in the potassium chloride. I have 20 MEQ as listed in the EHR. I have a metformin 500 milligram tablet, and then I have Lipitor 10 milligram tablet. So I have all of those, and that's the exact amount. We have the same amount of dosage in our tablets as we do listed, so we won't have to calculate anything further. But if we were to need 500 milligrams of Keflexin, we would have used two 250 milligram tablets. That's not the case this time. So then I'm going to introduce myself to the patient. My name is Tanya. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm here to give you some meds. The doctor ordered. Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Daniel Butler, 42990.
And then I would go ahead and just can I take a look at your bracelet here and make sure that you're just for safety, you want to make sure that I don't give you somebody else's medicine. And then I'd ask them, do you have any allergies?
Nope.
No food allergies, no drugs, nothing.
Nope.
At this time, my meds in my medicine cup. There we go. I'd want to go ahead and perform hygiene, making sure that I'm washing for 30 seconds, getting in underneath all the grooves and everything like that. Soap and water, or hand sanitizer, whichever. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply clean gloves. Alright. And at this time, again, I'm just going to verify one last time to make sure that I do have the right medications before I put them. I have a med cup here. So Lipitor, 10 milligrams, 10 milligrams. Just gonna go ahead and open that and put it in the cup. I have metformin, 500 milligrams. 500 milligrams as listed in the cup. I have potassium chloride, 20 MEQ tablet as listed. I have Ambien, 10 milligrams, or Zolpidem, as listed. Keflexin, 250 milligram capsule, as listed. And then last but not least, Prevacid, 30 milligram capsule, as listed. Okay. So those all match for sure. Make sure that all of our vital signs are within limits. We don't want to give a patient, for instance, low pressure if your blood pressure is already low. We want to check all of those things and make sure that they're good. So I'm going to be administering you some Keflex. That could cause nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. Prevacid could also make you dizzy, give you muscle cramps. Sometimes it makes your heart feel like it's beating faster. I'm gonna give you a Zocalib. Excuse me, Zocalib or Ambien. It can give you a headache, make you drowsy, make you dizzy. Sometimes it causes dry mouth. To give you nausea, sometimes gas or vomiting. Metformin can give you a stomach pain, heartburn. Sometimes cause diarrhea and gas or heartburn as well. If you have anything abnormal, like you feel like you're gonna pass out, or you're itchy, your throat swelling, shut anything out of the ordinary after you take any of these medications, just make sure that you let us know right away. That's not normal. I have some water here for you, and so, are you okay swallowing
Yep.
pills?
Yep.
Do you want to take them all at once, or do you want
Take
each
them
one?
all once.
Okay. At this time, he would take them and then take a sip of water. Everything went down okay. Take that back from you. Do you need anything else while I'm in here?
Alright.
No. Here's your call bell. Make sure that's within reach. I'd clean up all my mess here. Make sure to scan and stuff like that. Medicine if we have that system. You want your light on or
Off. Nope.
and use some garbage. And then at the very beginning, I wanted to make sure that all my privacy was closed, doors were shut and stuff like that.